A connected fan is not automatically a smart fan. A cloud icon cannot prove that the fan is observable, controllable, or recoverable. A useful smart fan system combines stable local control, trustworthy measurements, explicit command authority, actionable alarms, and a safe fallback when communication disappears. Build the stack from the physical system upward: fan, motor and drive, sensors, edge controller, BMS or PLC, historian, and analytics. Fast duty control and protective responses should remain close to the equipment. Higher layers can supervise, schedule, and analyze, but network delay or a cloud outage must not become the motor's safety loop. Identity comes before data. This Longwell warehouse footage shows packed fan products and readable model labels. It proves shipping in asset context, not a communication option. Record the asset ID, exact model suffix, configuration, firmware, register map revision, and physical location. Otherwise, a valid data point can still be mapped to the wrong machine. Here is a 7-page communication document for the exact model named LWBE3G560-218PT06. It defines points for actual speed, operating and fault status, IPM temperature, set speed, device address, baud rate, and parity. Those addresses and scales are evidence for that documented implementation only. Never copy them to another suffix without verification. Next, assign command authority. Local logic, a service tool, the BMS, and remote supervision may all request speed, but only one should own the right path at a time. Define priorities: handoff, timeout, override indication, and return to normal behavior. Every override should have an owner, reason, timestamp, and automatic or deliberate expiry. Before trending a value, make it trustworthy. Each point needs a timestamp, engineering unit, scaling rule, valid range, quality flag, sample period, stale data timeout, and source revision. A dashboard that silently holds the last value can look calm while the bus is dead. A number without context is not reliable telemetry. An alarm is a lifecycle, not a red dot. Define normal, warning, fault, acknowledged, and recovered states. Add priority, delay, hysteresis, latching, ownership, and proof of recovery. Separate a communication problem from a physical fan fault, and suppress repeat notifications without hiding a continuing unsafe or unavailable condition. Diagnosis becomes useful when signals are correlated. Compare speed command with actual speed, duct pressure, input power, electronics temperature, and vibration. The difference between expected and observed response can reveal a developing control, airflow, or mechanical issue. Trending supports diagnosis, it does not guarantee predictive maintenance or identify the cause without inspection. In a fan wall, intelligence is group behavior. Track each module's health, available capacity, command, and feedback. If one module fails, the group controller may redistribute duty, but only inside verified airflow, pressure, electrical, sound, and control limits. Redundancy also needs backflow management, isolation strategy, and enough remaining capacity. Connectivity expands the security boundary. Segment fan and OT control networks from enterprise and remote services. Keep upstream access read-only by default, allow writes by role and need, authenticate updates, backup configuration, and log commands and changes. Do not expose a writable fan control endpoint directly to the public internet. Commission failure modes, not only normal operation. Unplug a sensor, freeze a stale value, interrupt the bus, reject an unauthorized write, cycle power, shift the clock, and apply wrong scaling in a controlled test. Confirm alarms, command ownership, local fallback, and recovery. Pass only when both required duty and safe state are maintained. Hand over a version SmartFan data contract, asset names, point list, data types, units, scaling, valid ranges, command owner, override rules, alarm state machine, lost communication behavior, network zones, trend retention, firmware and map revisions, plus factory and site acceptance evidence. Start integration with the exact model, duty points, point list, and authority map.